Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we'll talk about how to create photos with selective colors. So with that being said, let's get started. When you open Lightroom, it will look like this. Now we're in the library, so we have to switch to develop, and now you want to go down to the HSL and color tab. So then you can go to hue or luminance or all, but we're just gonna focus on the saturation because that's what you need for this edit render. So here you can basically choose which colors you want to have shown in your picture. So if you don't want the blue tones, you're just gonna have to come to blue and drag it all to 0. Then you have gray instead of the blue tones. This is one way to do it. So we could also say let's delete all other colors than the blue tones. So I could basically just go ahead and take really everything out except the blue tones. So let's do that real quick. And you just could also just do like a slight blue color if you'd like to. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to make a black and white picture, go right to the basic tab and go into black and white, and see, immediately you will have a monochrome or black and white picture. And yeah, if you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.